Soil, and plastic is not being grown in soil. But the main reason of our population growth is cutting of tree. The main reason of population growth is cutting of tree, and you are cutting tree for making continents. Okay, we will know tree is cutting. Then plastic is made up of many plastics, and it is not decomposed. It is also pollutes our environment. Yes, it is. It is cheaper in cost, so we will use it because both are. You give example of cheaper. Okay, the quality of plastic is also not good. Right, the quality of plastic is not good. If paper bags are if paper bags will touch with water, then it will dissolve in water. Then how can I say it is the quality? I'm not with paper bag. I'm talking with cotton bag. Cotton is not soluble in water. Then if we will dissolve in water, then it will use yes. It is not dissolve in water. I talk with cotton bag, not paper bag. You give example of paper bag. What? What I want to say? You give example of paper bag. So it is sorry, soluble in water. I am talk with cotton bag. Cotton bags also can also be damaged when washed in many times. Wow, what is the reason for wash? We always carry in the vegetables. Why did it become dirty? Why you will use dirty cotton bags? Cotton bag? Cotton bag is not dirty. Why is cotton bag dirty? You carry only vegetables, fruits. Vegetables, fruits are dirty. So, but plastic bags are better in many ways. But are also good in many ways. Then plastic also harmful for environment. We are cutting this. Sorry, we get cotton bags from and paper bags from tree, and we cut tree by for. Okay, now when you use plastic, you also throw in the roadside and some domestic animals, cow, dog, it can plastic, and then it's harm for animals. Then cotton bag not harm.
What will happen? Cotton bags will some people also throw cotton bags in garbage.
Yes, I know people throw cotton bag in garbage, but it take very long time. He use very long time or cotton bag and plastic are you purchase today and throw today. You not throw the we not put any vegetables in the
You can reuse cotton bags, but plastic are not reusing.
yes. It's also a topic. The cotton bag are reusable, recycled. And cotton bags are very expensive, but plastic bags are easily available and it's cheaper in cost. And also, I also give you example of government and private school. But it doesn't give a good education. Then plastic also give a good, not give good result of our environment. Result of our environment.
That is cotton bag.
Cotton bags also doesn't give good. Also, yes, it is give good result in the environment. It is decompose and form in the minerals. But we got tree for getting cotton bags. Uh,
And the deforestation
is
and
very
it is very
dangerous for us.
harmful to our earth.
Oh, the plastic also dangerous for us.
We plant
Plastic is not dangerous.
cotton bag around
Ayun.
cotton plant are grow, but plastic is not become easily, so it is harmful out there environment. Cotton plants can grow and also become easily in soil, but plastic is not decomposed in soil. So, so plastic is bad for our environment.
When I repeat many times that cotton is made from by cutting down a tree, and the deforestation makes our earth
And also we want to use a cheaper cost of
cheaper
thing.
cost
Of
and,
thing.
and a whole big process and whole big process. Plastic can recycle again and again.
Yes, we can.
We plant, we
Plastic can
can
recycle, but
plant
cotton
more and
cannot
more
be
trees.
recycled again.
Yes,
We
you
can
right.
plant more or less tree of cotton plant. We can plant.
हम छोटे में गए अबे के भाई
I asking about from your daily life.
yes we
Not coming in daily life. We have to discuss today.
yeah
One more point that plastic is we use 100 times, 1000 times, unlimited times.
we can
It is not.
Recyclable.
It is not.
okay we know plastic is used many times but anyone not use anyone use only one time
We are not
just
talking
throw.
about daily life. We are talking about topic.
Copy.
We are
Yes.
not talking
I
about
don't
daily
know.
life.
When plastic go in water and ocean, it harm many animals. So it is very bad.
It's damage the aquatic.
Aquatic animal. So it is very bad for our
So
environment.
we can clean the. We
We
can
can
clean
clean
the.
Ocean and government is spending
We can-
many money on for cleaning for
And the product is. We can clean the oceans by the process of biomedical, in which
we are
bacteria.
goal of cleaning is sewage not ocean babu
he is
It's
talking
not
about
waste.
ocean. We throw
in
ocean.
yes I also tell
When sea, when
this is the
seaweed.
process of cleaning out of sewage not ocean
Paper also contains harmful particles. When seaweed clean, ocean
Then why ocean cannot clean? If seaweed can clean, then why ocean cannot clean? Yes, we clean the ocean by the help of biomedical.
But animal, aquatic animal dies.
Yes, so
they
government
will
has.
die if they eat plastics.
yes you are right
But when we remove
Then
the plastic, how
we are
much-
showing government spend many and many money for cleaning the ocean
okay but ocean are not clean
because
Because of you. You are using plastic and throwing it in garbage.
when also cotton bags also cotton
Yes.
bags. When cotton bags thrown into ocean,
I-
not dissolved properly. It also have
we throw cotton bags in ocean we throw cotton bag of dirty quality and it also damage aquatic animal. Cotton.
And
cotton bag
cotton
Yes,
bags
cotton
are
I don't think
when we see cotton bags, it is not true that we use one time and few.
no but
Cotton
cotton
bag
bag
is used when you
I use paper bag. I use paper bag. Not
cotton
cotton
bag is when you taste like you use 10 times, 20 times.
yes it is also made by cotton I want to use like very
When it is used 10 times, 100 times, you want to.
you eat food you all eat food now
Yes.
then the food is made in karai and it's also very dirty and your mother was it's also harm
Because
environment.
it
It is not suitable
it is a
example.
iron. It is iron. It is iron. And iron will be was iron.
What I done?
come to topic come to topic
Iron. Iron. Right.
Right.
yes
Utensils.
Aluminum.
Aluminum.
It is not made of plastic. It is made of aluminum.
yes come to topic don't give me example
When I give you example,
That you
Give me.
which example you
when
want
I give you,
we
that
don't
thing-
I also give
like
example.
I like your daily life. Like daily life.
I also give you a free life. You eat it food daily.
which which example you are wanting give me I will say
Which type of example you have?
Yes. You in the favor of cotton bag, right?
Yes, yes.
No, paper bag.
The cotton bag is not made of cotton.
Not paper bag.
we are
Cotton.
I don't know because I thought it's very.
Then why you know?
I thought it's
Why
very-
you
but
know?
we know that we know
You have not imported
Chlorine,
about
One by one,
chlorine,
one by one, one by one.
chlorine is used in the chlorine.
Yes.
When it is thrown in ocean and the harmful chemicals are released and the ocean
It
is
also not
dirty
good for the
and trees.
yes it also dirty ocean
it.
tell me how it is bad
We also say plastic block the drainage system of cities.
huh?
Plastic block the drainage system of cities.
Then we can we have a biomedical process by which we can clean the ocean.
Plastic is by the help of bacteria,
Yes.
microorganisms.
the topic.
When we
Yes.
believe-
What do you say about him? Which process?
Biomedical.
Yes. You teach in sorry, you understand in school, no? Sorry to also tell the small cities have not used this type of process because it's not costly, but don't use this. It is not used in Ara and Patna.
I think that when the civil system of Ara and
Three, a cotton plant.
Oh yeah.
cotton plant
यदि
required
काट लो इतना
fertilizer.
लगा देना.
Cotton plants require
Cotton plant take
fertilizer.
Yes.
But plastic is not meant this.
Cotton bag
Plastic is made up of chemicals. We found new
and
chemicals.
cotton was also made. Cotton free also made from fertilizers.
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers. And it.
Okay,
It also can be prepared by the manual.
Please say one by one.
Not
Then
only
it will take how many years?
No,
in
no, you
your program then you
use plastic.
reduce the fertility of soil.
Chlorine is also very
Yes,
harmful.
no. पीछे से बोलो, उसका आगे नहीं दे छोटा। छोटा का आगे नहीं दे। देखना है भाई। उधर जाता जाओ।
Yes, sir.
चलो बोलो।
Yes, sir. We make we through cotton tree by the help of fertilizers, fertilizers, and it's very bad.
Grain weeds and also it's also farmers use fertilizers and you eat very normally.
And
And
you also
we also
We are the
you also
environment.
you also
Oh, yes, it's also about environment.
Yes,
You tell that the cotton plant use fertilizer. Farmers use fertilizer for growing crops.
Very high.
yes. So you are saying plastics are bad. Then cotton bags are also bad because for growing cotton bag we use fertilizers and it harms our environment. So it is also bad and very bad for our environment. Cotton bags are very also very bad for our environment.
हाँ, बोल छोटा, बोल। बोलो तुम।
Animal often mistakes plastic mistake plastic for food which can hurt or kill.
इन पेपर या ऑन पेपर
On paper.
या अंडर पेपर
on
On paper.
ओके
Yes,
कैरी
carry
ऑन
on.
And
it is when it on the paper ink is spread.
ink made from chemicals and chemicals are very dangerous for our health and
When we
body.
eat it, it is harmful for our health.
Yes.
And how in the road
We know we eat bhunjar. You are also people. You also eat bhunjar.
Even you, but you
No one
you
should
don't
tell
plastic.
about this. You are coming a topic. You also
Not
eat
plastics.
Plastic.
Plastic.
this. But we don't eat in plastic. We eat paper
On the
bag.
paper.
Yeah.
If you give on the it is
Under
on
paper
the
and paper made with feel.
It is filled in paper and give it to me in plastic bags